Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Welcome to the today's maths class. We are going to continue our session practical geometry. And today we are going to construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. Two adjacent sides and three angles are known. So let us discuss one example. Let us construct quadrilateral MIST where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter and IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Angle M is equal to 75 degrees. Angle I is equal to 105 degrees and angle S equal to 120 degrees. So before going to do the construction, let us draw a rough diagram. So, while doing rough diagram also you can use scale to construct a quadrilateral MIST. So here MIST, right? So at M is 75 degrees, at I is 105 degrees, at S is 120 degrees. The given MI is 3.5 centimeter, IS is 6.5 centimeter. Right children? So now first we are going to construct, first draw the line segment IS because or MI, your wish, whatever you want you can take that. Right? Let us start with MI. So right children, so after constructing the rough diagram, we need to draw actual figure, right? So now here MIST, first of all I am going to draw IS, that is 6.5 centimeter, right? Draw IS 6.5 centimeter. Right? That is IS 6.5 centimeter. Give the name of this one I, and S, it is a 6.5 centimeter. Now the given two angles, at I is 105 degree and at S is 120 degrees. Now first we will construct 120 degrees, right? Now how to construct 120? Take some radius and convenient radius, okay? Draw the arc like this. This arc will intersect IS at one point. From that point, you just cut that arc. You know how to construct 60 degrees? The same way, we are going to construct 60, 90 and 120. This is 120 degrees. At S, we will get 120 degrees. Right children? Now we need to construct 105 degrees at I. At I we need to construct 105 degree. So 105 will become it between 90 and 120. So take center as I. Draw the arc. Right? So now this also will intersect one more point. Construct 60 degrees. This is 60. This is 120. Right? Now in between 120 and 60 will be having 90 degrees. From 60 draw one arc above this arc, and next will become from 120 just cut that arc. Means construct the 90 degrees first of all. Right? Just extend that line with the dotted. With the dotted lines, with the dotted you can draw a line from I. Right, this is 90 degrees. The dotted line at I will become 90 degrees. Now 105 is lies between 120. 105 is lies between 90 degrees and 120 degrees. In between these two you will be having 105 degrees. So 105 degrees, to draw 105 we will take that. Draw the bisector of angular bisector of 120 and as well as 90. Clear? Then you will get 105. So take here, see this here. This is 120 and this is 90. Take more than half. Like this. Okay? Little bit. Then draw the arc. From here you can take this. Right? Now from I you just extend that line, that is 105 degree. This is 105 degrees. Total is 105 degree. Right? Now we need to MI. This is I. Now next we will get IM. Right? MIST we are going to take. Now children, MI is a 3.5 centimeter. So take 3.5 centimeter on the scale. Okay? Take 3.5 centimeter on the scale. centimeter on the scale. Take center as I, and this is 3.5. This is M. Okay, this is M. MIST. Now again they given at M is also 75 degree. At M also they given 75 degrees. So we need to construct 75 degrees now. So now children, to construct 75 degrees at M, so by using compass you draw first of all 60 degrees, 60 and 90 you can construct at center M. Okay, so take some radius. Right, now from this is 60. This is 120. So in between 60 and 120 you will be having 90 degrees. So the angular bisector of 60 and 90 is 75. First draw 90 degrees at M. Okay. Then after that you can construct 75 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So now you need to draw the angular bisector of 60 and 90. You will get 75 degrees. So it is a little bit here in between 60 and 90. You will get the angle that is 75 degrees. Just extend that line. Right? So now here we constructed 120 degrees at S. So this is 120 degrees. Okay, from S you can draw the line through 120 degrees. You will get T here. This is the point. Both the points are intersecting at one point. Both the lines are intersecting at one point T. So this is the required quadrilateral. This is 75 degrees. This is 105. This is this. And the MI is 3.5 centimeter. This is the required construction, children. First of all, once again I am telling to you, draw IS 6.5 centimeter, right? Draw 120 degrees at center as S. Take center as S and draw 120 degrees. Clear? Now in the same way you can draw at I. First of all draw 120 degrees, 60 and 120, then 90 degrees you can construct. Okay, the angular bisector of 90 and 120 is 105. So 105 is the exactly middle of the 120 and 90 degrees. So same thing, to draw a 105 degrees, you can take more than half of the length of 90 degrees here, from here to here, in between these two arcs. Right, from 90 and 120 you can take more than half, draw two arcs here. Right, so this point is nothing but 105 degrees. Now from I, just draw a line. Okay, then take 3.5 centimeter on the scale. Right, then draw the arc, that is point M. So then MI is 3.5 centimeter. Now at M also we need to construct 75 degrees. So same thing, you can draw 60 degrees first, 60 and 120, 90. Then after that the angle between 90 and 65, exactly middle, that is bisector, is 75 degrees. Clear, children? So the 75 is between 90 and 60, exactly till middle. So therefore from 60, it is 60 here. So this is 60 and this is 90, right? In between those two, you can take more than half of the length, then draw the 75 degrees. Then extend that line, right? MT is extended. Now here it is 120 degrees. At S 120 degrees, then extend ST, it will become, this is 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. So by joining ST, you will get the required quadrilateral. MIST, right? MI is 3.5 centimeter, IS is 6.5, and at S is 120, at angle I equal to 105, angle M equal to 75 degrees. Right, children? Right, children. Let us discuss one more construction. That is, when three sides and two included angles are given, construct ABCD quadrilateral. AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, CD equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 105 degree, angle C equal to 80 degrees. First of all, we will construct a rough diagram. So here we need to construct ABCD, a quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. This is ABCD. They mention here angle C is 80 degrees, angle B is 105 degree, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, CD is 6.5 centimeter. So we are going to construct this quadrilateral ABCD with three sides and 2 included angles are given. First of all, draw 2 angles are there. So draw BC 5 centimeter. Draw a line segment BC 5 centimeter. So BC 5 centimeter. Now at B we are going to construct 105 degree. So just now we discussed how to construct 105 degrees. First construct 60, then 120, 90, then after that the angle between 90 and 120 you will get 105 degree. So take convenient radius and you just draw the arc right like this. With the same radius you can draw from this point, means you need to construct 60 degrees. Construct 60 degrees. This is 60. From 60 you can draw one more arc. You will get 120. Now in between 120 and 60 you have 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. First you need to draw the 90 degrees with dotted lines. Right? Now the angle between 120 and 90 you will get 105. So take from these 2 points. Children, see this here. From here one point is there and from here 120 degrees. 120 and 90, in between these two you can draw 105 degrees. That is exactly middle of, that is bisector of the 120 and 90. So take more than half of the length. This is total 120. So take more than half of the length. Right? Draw the arc. And with that same radius, just cut that arc with 120, right? That is 105 degree. Now just extend that line. While drawing angles, please be concentrate on that how to construct. Right, this is line 105 degrees. This is the angle 105 degree. Clear? Now they given 4 centimeter. AB is 4 centimeter. Right? So take 4 centimeter on the scale. Take 4 centimeter on the scale. Then draw the arc. Take center as B. Right? 4 centimeter. Then take center as B. Draw the arc. That is A. This is point A. AB is 4 centimeter. Right? Now we need to construct 80 degrees. So 80 degrees we will construct with help of protractor. Clear? Now at center C, now 80 degrees is an acute angle. So you need to see that left hand side. Okay, 80 degrees is acute angle. So you need to see that at angle C. See, this point will be coincide with C here, exactly middle. Right? Now where is 80 degrees? Here it is 80 degrees. Right? Then take a point on that and from C you can extend that line. From C you can extend that line. From that point, you just join those point. Clear? Now this is 80 degrees. Now again they given CD is 6.5 centimeter. So 6.5 centimeter you can take on the scale and draw the arc with center C on that line. 6.5 centimeter. Right, take 6.5 centimeter on the scale, take center as C, draw the arc. So if it is not possible, you just extend that line. Okay, you just extend that line, you will get this is point D here. That is point D. Now join AD also. Join AD is the required, you will get the required quadrilateral ABCD with 3 sides and 2 included angles. Clear children? This is 6.5 centimeters. This is the required quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, CD equal to 6.5 centimeter. Angle B is 105 degree, angle C is 80 degrees. Right children? Right children, I hope you understood that how to construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, and as well as when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Right children, today's homework is exercise 4.3 in question number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 bits and question number in exercise 4.4 question number 1, 2. Right children, thank you. Have a great day.